Hello everybody, it's me Pierre Farrugia. Today we are at Xaqqa Valley, and today we are not going to upsail, but we're going to hike down until we reach the sea. It's a very beautiful valley here. It involves some climbing, both with the wall and have some leather rugs installed into the rock face, so it's not for everybody. So let's start this adventure and enjoy this very, very beautiful place. Normally here we upsail, but today we are not. The first part going down is a little bit dodgy because we have to go down like this small dam, but normally we stick to this side, which is much safer because you can balance with the root of the tree. So let's start going down. Well, going down here, it's not hard, but it's not easy. You have to take care because if you slip from here, you would have a nasty fall. But it's like steps going down. This is the 5 to 6 meter wall we just gone down, and then if we go this way, we have some vegetation we pass through. Look how beautiful these walls are. These are mainly used here for upsail and rock climbing. As you can see, with where we're going to start doing some climbing down, we have to go down this area, and we have to go down until we reach the sea. It's a very, very beautiful area. Look at this wall, how beautiful they are, especially on this side. And with sunset here, they will glow like yellowish orange. They are very beautiful. So let's continue our journey down. Well, at this part we have to go down about 3 meters, and then from here I will start finding the stainless steel rods in the rock to go down. So people have to take care and know that you have to use these to go down. And then we have down there another part like this. Now we're going to take some great care, no camera in my hands, and we start going down slowly, because sometimes these stainless steel rugs are a little bit slippery. Well, I will hold to this one, and I have the rugs that I will go down with. I always hold them very tight. You can hold to the rock as well, and always hold to these. A little bit slippery, so take care. But it's easily done, like this. And here we'll start trekking again down and holding to rock until we reach the next step. As I told you, this place is not for everybody, especially for people who are afraid of heights or climbing. From here you can see the sheer rock walls. This is where we're going down now, and now we'll start making our way down to this place. You always have to take great care here, but there's many loose rock. And here there's so many loose rock that one can easily trip and fall. Sorry. Remember that these cliffs are 90 meters, so to go down a very short period of time, that's why this descent is so steep. And you will get like this, they can be easily done. But then there are those steep steps where they install the ladders, which can easily be done. Still going down, but here the views, look, are amazing. It's difficult But normally when these places are difficult, they are more rewarding, yeah? And especially these sheer walls are here. It's amazing, yeah? So let's continue down and try not to trip. What I'm amazed as well, that people used to come to swim here. But before there were not these ladders. So they had to climb up, rock climbing up these walls, yeah? But it was a little bit dangerous, but they were doing it, eh? So any people who done this place before, give me your comments below. It will be interesting to know how hard it was, because I'm slipping and tripping everywhere here. Well, as you imagine, we are still going down. Here all the way will be going down. When you reach the sea, you have to go up. It's never flat surface here. Makes it more interesting. From here you can get the view of this beautiful place. It's amazing, yeah? It has this tongue of land going out, and we still have to go, I think, 1/3 of this trek. Here everywhere has red markers, so when going up one can easily find out where to climb up the easiest way. Here is getting a little bit tougher, you see, but nothing so big till now. You always take care and try to use 3 points of contact. So if you have both legs and one of your arms touching the wall. Maybe somebody say, because I have the helmet, I don't think it's 100% necessary, but since I have it and I can mind my GoPro, it's always safer, because I can slip and hit my head. It's especially today I'm alone, and being in a valley so tight, it's easily that rock falls and can hit you on the head. No? Always better be safe than sorry. And now we have reached the most difficult part. Let me show you. We have these rugs attached to the wall, which will climb down with to access the bottom part. Here again you can see that like tongue going out between the cliffs. We are now in the last part to go down, and we have to use these stainless steel rugs to go down this about 5 to 6 meter wall. Now let me put the camera away. But here is amazing, and truly amazing. Well, now to get down from this part, no camera at hand and full concentration on what we're going to do. We go down slowly, because here it's a little bit difficult to go down, but we do it slowly and safely. Now placing my foot and I am sitting down, so I go down bit by bit. Now once you are here, then you can put your hand in these loops, which is make it more easy. Other hand here, and if you see this view, I cannot complain. So now I start putting my feet one by one going down, like I'm using a ladder at home. I always 3 points of contact, but it's very easily done. And now we reach the bottom part. Now we have made it all the way from up there. That's where there's the ladder, and we came from up there. I can show you how deep we're going down. This cliff here, which we have said, is 90 meters. And here is finally the view and the tranquility and peace of a place like this. It's amazing. Once you get down here, there isn't a lot of space one can explore, but we'll check out everywhere. But there is a small opening there which I will try to find a way to pass. Yo, hope you can hear me from here because it's a little bit rough. Look, there's another arch here. This is a little bit rough today and there isn't any place I can go. These are these beautiful cliffs that I was talking to you about. I hope I don't get wet from here. But what do you think? Yeah, amazing this place, look. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful place. Today we're at Xaqqa Valley with this beautiful cliffs here and this tongue of land going out. Here behind me, I'll take a little bit here. You can see there's a beautiful arch as well. We have that pinnacle there of rock. I hope you can see it's beautiful as well. But now, after we enjoyed and take a break here, it's not the hard part because I will like it. We have to go up the 90 meters, climb up, not with the vault, I will go with the, but it's still a climb. And we take care that I don't get injured, especially today that I'm alone. Remember, coming these places, if you're coming alone, tell the people exactly where you're going to be and at what time you should return home. If something happens, they can call emergency service. That from what I saw this week, they are getting very, very top trained, even in rescues of this kind and cliffs. So well done to this good production as well. So now let's start our way back. Bye bye. Hope you like and subscribe.